Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to take you along on some book shopping. I went to Barnes & Noble, Target, and then I'm going to give you a little book haul so you can see what books I got. Make sure to subscribe and like this video so I know you want to see more. And all the books that I got are romance slash spicy, I think. I can't remember what books I got, but let's go book shopping and then I will show you a haul. So let's go. Whenever I film in my room or just like being in this house in general, I feel like I'm in the 70s. I got a Lilo right here. She's growing up. If you've seen any of my previous videos, I filmed videos like when we first got them and they're so small, and now Lilo is thick. She's just like a ball of meat. So I was going to show you guys all the books that I have bought over the past couple of weeks. I have not, to be honest, I have not read a physical book, like an actual book in my hands, in like a hot minute, but I really want to get back into it. I really like reading like in the summer. I feel like that's when I shine the most, like because I can sit outside and just like chill, you know? I have so many animals around me. I got 6 books to show you all. Some are from different places. I have one ebook to show you as well. Buy one cookie, get 50% off. Wow. I am going to start with the books that I got from Target. I picked up 2 books from Target, I guess, and they're really random. I don't even know anything about this specific book, and it is called What If It's Us. I'm pretty sure it's about 2 men, and I thought it'd be fun to like change it up and like read about like not just boy girl romance. Like I want some man romance. So I bought this book. I think it's a YA book. I don't know. I guess I'll find out. It's by Becky Albert Dolly and Adam something. It's covered Adam Silvera. So this is the first book. Have not seen anybody read it. I don't know if it's good or not, but we'll find out. Thank God it's first person. Second book I got, I'm hoping this is the first book, I'm guessing it is The Kingdom of the Wicked by Carrie Maniscalco? I'm gonna butcher everyone's names, but I heard so many people talk about this on TikTok and I needed to try it myself. I haven't read many books lately that are more like fantasy and like old school. I'm pretty sure this is like based like not today, like back in the day. I haven't read one of those in a while. I'm so used to reading like more books like this where they're like present day or modern. So this one, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I'm excited to read it. Oh, I'm sorry. I got one more from Target. I got 3 books from Target. So I go to Barnes & Noble, buy books, and then I go to Target and I see how much cheaper they are. And I'm like, God damn it, why did I buy those books at Barnes & Noble? But luckily I didn't buy this one at Barnes & Noble. I bought this one at Target, and it's Electric Idol by Katie Robert. I was hesitant to buy this book like when it first came out, just because when I read Neon Gods, it wasn't my favorite. It's pretty good, but it wasn't my favorite. But this book was like 10 bucks at Target, and I was like, I might as well get it and then read it because I know there's that other book that just came out. So I'm just trying to keep up with the times. But this book is about Greek mythology, but like, you know, not. It's about Persephone and Hades, I think. Is that what this is about too? Oh no, this is about somebody else. Oh, this is about Eros and, I'm gonna butcher this, Psyche? I don't know how to say the Greek names, but that's what this is about. I guess this is not Hades and Persephone like the first one. It's about some other people. But I'm excited to read it. It's really pretty, and I love the matte cover. Okay, the next 2 are Book Lovers and Beach Read. I have people we met on vacation, did not like it, but that book was third person, and I just could not freaking read that book. Like, I'm pretty sure it was third person, but I just like was having the hardest time. And then I looked at Beach Read and I saw that it was first person, and I was like, oh, so I wanted to try it. I thought it was third person, and that's why I was avoiding it. Cat's trying to kill her little fake mouse. I'm really excited to read this one for the summer. And then I had to pick up Book Lovers. These are from Barnes & Noble, by the way. It's so expensive. I spent like $35 on both these books. I'm not proud of it, but it is what it is. So I'm excited to read this. I've heard mixed reviews of it. Like, some people love it, some people hate it. I don't know what I'm gonna think about it, but I want to try it. I know Beach Read is a lot of people's favorite book, so I'm excited to try it out. So the next book that I bought, I saw the author on TikTok, and literally that TikTok convinced me to buy whatever she was selling. It just sounded really good. So this is a book called Don't Let Me Fall by Kelsey Ray, and it's new. It came out like, sorry, the cat's eating the tripod. It came out like a couple days ago, and I like pre-ordered it a day early. I haven't read it yet. It was like $4 on Kindle, I think. So I'm excited to read it. Could not tell you what it was about, but it sounded good when she was talking about it.
Okay, but what if you are at a party with your boyfriend and you need to use the restroom? So you kind of slip away and head down the hall before stopping short when you see a guy and a girl going at it in the hallway. You're so surprised by the public display of affection that it kind of takes you a second to realize you're staring. However, it happens to be the same moment that the guy realizes that you are also staring. He turns around and kind of gives you a smirk and just says, "Wanna join?"
So yeah, that is all the books that I bought in the month of May. Of course, I've been reading like Kindle books, but I'm not buying them. I'm just using my Kindle Unlimited subscription to read those, or I'm using my Scribd subscription to listen to audiobooks. And yeah, that's all the books that I bought this May, and my next video will be all the books that I read this May. I'm excited to show you guys. And yeah, if you have any suggestions on what books that I should read, leave them down below. I'd be happy to give your suggestions. The cats are still spazzing out, but that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.